guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel called the Pullback Entry. My name is Warren Michael, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel as you continue to watch these videos because all my videos you will love it. Okay, so we want to do an analysis for this week. We want to do an analysis for this week. So we are having the USD JPY and the Euro Swiss francs. This is what I've checked. I've checked other pairs, all these pairs here. That's what I trade with. So after checking all the other pair, all those pairs, I've seen the two important pairs that I'll be holding or I'll be trading for next week. So I'm going for the USD JPY and the Euro Swiss francs. So let's go into our chart now to look at the USD JPY. Okay. So if you are looking the 1 day time frame, you see that the USD JPY we are having a good confirmation. It's not that other JPYs don't have that the same confirmation, but just that the USD JPY confirmation is like a 70%. So in this kind of confirmation here, this is it here. This is our confirmation here. You see this long thread on that particular candlestick. That is the confirmation we are having there. So in this kind of confirmation, we are seeing that this trade is about to pull for the upside. Is about to pull for the upside. Okay. So if we look more, let's still check it more. Like if you see the 1 day time, we are in the 1 week time frame now. You can see the lines. You can see the support zone I drew here and the resistance zone I drew here. You can see how it touch smoothly. How the thing touch smoothly. That is to tell you that trade on this zone we actually pull back a little before we'll be going down for a sell. We're going down for a sell. So you know now we cannot be trading on the 1 week time frame or the 1 day time frame. So we are looking at us taking a trade and making a little bit money from that particular trade. So my advice is that you should wait for the USD JPY and wait for the buy direction because all this. Okay, let me go to the 1 week time frame again. So if we are seeing now, we are seeing that trade was going up, then it came here for a pullback. This is the pullback here. This is the pullback. So as it has come for a pullback, we know that now a sell trade is about to begin, is about to start. Then the trade now is going to now, okay, he has a pullback on the upward direction. Now there will be a pullback on the downward direction. So there might be another pullback on this direction there before the trade will now continue moving downward. So if you see that USD JPY is going for a sell on a long run, But whereby we have seen an uptrend and this particular trade has done a pullback to this level, we should definitely go for a buy trend up to this level. This is like an 100% profit. This is like a win-win. This is like a win-win. It's like a win-win. So that next week we are going to wait for this particular trade to actually start giving us what we want. What we want. So it's a very good trade. It's a very, very good trade on the USD JPY. It's a very good trade on the USD JPY. Okay. Okay. So this is one trade I have my eyes on. Then let's go to our second trade now. The second one that I have my eyes on is the Euro GBP. The Euro GBP. Okay. As you can know, you know that when a GBP is going for a buy, then the Euro GBP, and when a GBP is going for a sell, then the Euro GBP will be going for a buy. So that is how it happens. So what I am actually waiting for this trade to do is that, yeah, Okay, let me draw a line now. Let me draw a line. So we see this line here now. We will see that trade is reversing for the uptrend. Trade is reversing for the uptrend. With this line I drew here, we will know that trade is reversing for uptrend at this point here. It's reversing for uptrend. So this trade is a very good trade, but you have to be patient for the trade to give you a confirmation, because you cannot enter into a trade without a confirmation. You see the USD JPY, we saw a confirmation there. So now we have to wait for this trade for a confirmation. Let me go to the smaller time frame on the 4 hours. So yeah, we are seeing that this trade has made a top here and is going to make another higher top. You're going to make another higher top before what? Selling. Before selling. And we have had a weak spot in here. This is the weak spot. This is our first weak spot. When a trade is going for a long run, there will be a first weak spot, then before the last weak spot, which will now change the direction of that trade. So we have had our first weak spot. So this is like a little bit pullback, but it's not going to start selling immediately. It's a pullback for you to enter into the trade. Some people do enter into this spot here, but I will not advise you to enter into this spot. I will not advise you to enter into this spot. You can enter it for a buy, but will the buy be a good buy? That is what you will ask yourself. So what I will urge you to do is that, let's go to the 1 day time frame. Is that you should wait for the trade now, or for the chart. You should wait for the charts after giving a top here to give another top up to this zone, up to this zone, up to this zone. So if the trade reaches this zone at 0.8490, we might be seeing a sell. I said we might because possible. Anything is possible when trading. Anything is possible when trading. We might be seeing a sell. And the truth is that you should not miss on any entry. The sell can be a very good liquidity. And if it's a very good liquidity, you are gaining your profit within just 3 hours. You have got to your profit and you have gone. And you're out of that particular trade. So that is it. So we might. Or if we don't see a sell, then we know that the trade is now going for a strong buy direction. That means after giving this first top here, it can give another top here and start moving for a strong buy direction. For a strong buy direction. So if we see our confirmation at this particular zone here, a confirmation, because you cannot enter a trade without a confirmation. If you are entering a trade without a confirmation, that means you want to lose that trade. You want to lose that trade. You want to lose your money. You want to lose your money. This chart you see here is like a business. When you take this as a business, I mean, you will skyrocket in your forex trading career. Okay, so now, as you can see, so we are waiting for price at this level now to give us a confirmation there. If we see a confirmation, then we are entering for that sell trade. But if there is no confirmation, then we can wait for the trade to give a double top. That is to break the liquidity and give a pullback here before pushing to the uptrend. So that is it. So that is the two trades that I'm having in my mind for this week trade. That is the two trade I'm having in my mind. So let's just watch and see how it goes. Normally when we do this analysis, before you know, you will be seeing a confirmation in another pair. We'll be seeing a good confirmation in another pair. We'll not be seeing that confirmation in this pair in these pairs that we are analyzing now. So Lord, just wait for it. If there's a good confirmation on this, I mean, we are going in for it. Okay, thank you guys. So love if you love all this my analysis and how I do trade, please like this YouTube channel, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. And make sure you like all my videos. Like all my videos. I keep on saying this. Like all my videos. So I will keep pushing myself more to be giving you what you need to know in trading. Trading is very easy. You can be making money every week. But what make people lose in trading is that you see a forex trader taking trade 3 times in a week, and those trades are hitting his or her stop loss. I mean, I don't advise any forex trader to trade, to stake trade 3 times a week to be hitting his or her stop loss. The first thing is that you should be able to run out of a consolidation trend. If a trade is consolidating, you allow that trade to go back to your take profit and just go away from that trade. That is it. That is number one. Then number two, you should be able to determine a trade that want to change a direction. That want to change a direction. What I mean by changing the direction, that if you are putting for a buy trade and you saw that this trade is wants to change its direction to a sell, and once you change the direction, it's going to hit your stop loss. So you should be able to determine those kind of trade. And once you determine those kind of trade, it's better you work out at the very early moment before that trade hits your what stop loss. You understand? That is it. And as a forex trader, you don't have to be you can stake trade 3 times in a week, but don't allow those trade they are staking to be hitting your stop loss. Just look for one good trade, very one good trade in a week and trade. And when you trade it, you see that you are getting profit that particular week. And once you get a profit on a particular week, it's advisable as a forex trader that you should not trade again for that week till the next week, because next week there's a loss coming for you. Surely, I can tell you that. So always wait for your confirmation. Always wait for your confirmation. It's very important. Or we might not even see confirmation on all these pairs. We might be seeing confirmation in other pairs. So that is it. Forex is very simple. It's very easy. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and turn on the bell notification, because we'll be going deep into trading. And if you are watching my videos, you see that you'll be getting the important tips in trading. You'll be getting important tips in trading. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.